Warning, the future of videos just got wild. Literally. Every time you post another boring reel, stock video, or slideshow, you're not standing out, you're blending in. And in today's online world, blending in means being ignored. Let's face it, social feeds are drowning in the same recycled content. Overused stock videos, cookie-cutter Canva graphics, generic motivational reels everyone's seen a million times. And guess what? The algorithm doesn't care. Your audience doesn't care. And your competitors? Well, they're happy you look just like everyone else. If you're posting what everyone else is posting, you'll keep getting the same dead-end results. Now imagine this instead. A human with the head of a lion delivering your pitch. A wolf-human hybrid giving motivational advice on TikTok. A panda-human dancing in your ad campaign. Sounds wild? That's the point. Because using hybrid human and animal videos equals attention, and capturing attention equals real money. Want to tap into this exciting opportunity? Say hi to Hybrid AI, the world's first AI app that creates hyper-realistic animal-human viral videos in 60 seconds. With this by your side, even newbies can tap into the hottest video trend of 2025 and instantly make ultra-realistic, ultra-CGI-like videos that print views, clicks, and sales. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, access. Number 2, create ultra-hyper-realistic human and animal videos. Number 3, use and grow your business. Here are some amazing benefits you get with Hybrid AI. 1. World's first AI app creates ultra-hyper-realistic hybrid humans and animal videos in 60 seconds. Turn any human or animal face into a jaw-dropping, supernatural hybrid video in just 60 seconds with lifelike expression and movement. 2. Zero effort and zero learning curve. Just 3 easy clicks. Pick a keyword, upload an image, click generate, and watch Hybrid AI instantly create traffic-pulling, scroll-stopping videos easily. 3. Create ultra-cinematic AI hybrid videos in most followed niches. From pets to celebrities, Hybrid AI produces real cinematic, ready-to-viral hybrid videos in any niche without expensive production or complicated editing tools slowing you down. 4. Instantly go viral across every red-hot social platform. Hybrid AI creates platform-optimized, supernatural videos that trigger shares, comments, and clicks on major social platforms. 5. Launch your own AI video agency in minutes. Sell premium, hyper-realistic human and animal videos to clients in any niche, offering a service few can match. 6. Combine multiple AI engines, power in one. Hybrid AI fuses the power of multiple world-class AI engines to deliver the most realistic, retina-catchy hybrid videos possible every single time. 7. Welcome your personal ad-hybrid video director. Simply tell Hybrid AI what you want, and it delivers attention-grabbing, professional-quality videos. 8. Turn simple photos into viral hybrid videos that practically force engagement. Transform any photo into a captivating, share-worthy video that attracts views, clicks, and leads. 9. Tap into most trending video content without creating it yourself. Quickly produce viral-style videos based on today's hottest trends so you can ride the wave and profit while it's peaking. 10. No filming, no editing, no actors. Instant results. Skip the cost of cameras, actors, or editing software. Hybrid AI creates studio-quality videos from your laptop in seconds. 11. Attract countless clients who want unique video content fast. Offer in-demand, one-of-a-kind videos that competitors can't match, winning clients who will pay premium rates for fast, unique content. 12. Create studio-quality videos at a fraction of the cost. Hybrid AI produces cinematic, viral-ready videos without cameras, editing software, or outsourcing. 13. Save over $10,000 yearly on third-party subscriptions. Replace expensive editing, animation, and production tools with Hybrid AI, saving thousands each year without losing quality. So what's the point in waiting? Click below to grab complete access to Hybrid AI now before the price goes monthly. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, Hybrid AI will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below to get Hybrid AI for the lowest price. Good luck! and we'll see you inside.